Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ira Nur Arfifa from 6D and my student's number is 18110403 and 02. Here I'm going to present about my final project of sociolinguistics entitled Code Switching and Code Mixing. Code switching. Code switching is the one of alternative way to bilingual of two or more language in the same conversation. Helms 1947 defines code switching as a common term for alternative use of two or more languages, varieties of a language, or even speech style, while Bokamba 1989 defines code switching as the mixing of words, phrases, and sentences from two distinct grammatical or system across sentence boundaries within the same speech event. In a class, when the teacher teaches a foreign language, code switching also becomes strategic learning in order to develop the student's skill in English language. In the beginning of meeting, the teacher use target when they explain the material and then they switch again into Indonesian to make sure understood for the student. The students use the target language as much as possible but refers to their native language for any element of utterance that they are unable to produce in the target language. And the next example. For example, good morning class. Okay students, today we will study about part of body. Pagi anak-anak, hari ini kita akan belajar bagian-bagian tubuh. Now, listen your name. Dengar namanya when teacher absent. Present sir or hadir pak. Students Anwar. Good or good job or bagus when student has answered a question well. So the next is code switching can occur between sentence intrasentential or within a single sentence intrasentential. There are four major types of switching. The first, text switching, in which text and certain set phrases in one language are inserted into an utterance otherwise in another. For example, when teacher said, "Benar, that's a good answer." Bagus, good job Santi. The word "that's a good answer" can be considered text. Sometimes, emblematic code switching or text switching can take the form of intrasentential switching, where categorical equivalence exists between the two language involved. The second, intrasentential switching, in which switches occur within a clause or sentence boundary. It can take the form such as code changing, code mixing, insertion, and congruent lexicalization. For example, menurutku that's a good idea. Open your book and kerjakan halaman 10. From that example includes code changing or complete shift to another language system at major constituent boundaries. And third, intersentential switching, in which a change of language occurs at sentence level, where each clause or sentence is in one language or the other. For example, when teacher said, "Have you done?" Student answer, "Sudah pak." "May I see?" "Ini pak." From example that intrasentential code switch was to relate speech that had already occurred in other conversations in English, and it more frequent than intrasentential. The fourth, intraword switching, in which a change occurs within a word boundary. For example, ujian hari ini adalah oral. The word oral is considered in tense of speech borrowings. There are speakers borrows an English word. In other hand, Milroy and Peter define code switching as a term intransential used for switching within the sentence in contrast with intransential used for switch between sentences, although some commentators have seen code switching as reflection alike of language ability. Most contemporary scholars consider code switching to be normal and natural product of interaction between the bilingual or multilingual speaker language. And the next slide is code mixing. Code mixing is the other phenomenon closely related to code switching. It usually occurs when conversants use both languages together, which switch between two languages to the extent that they change from one tongue to other in the course of a single utterance. Code mixing takes place without a change of topic and can involve various levels of language such as phonology, morphology, grammatical structure, and lexical items. We cannot avoid that the first language is a big effect in second language. Interaction and mixing between languages result in various language. Most of the people in the society mix their language with other language by borrowing or using pieces of foreign language. Even sometimes they are still influenced by first language. Related to Kachu defines, we can see the reality in the class when students saying something in English, they mix some language in the sentence that they don't know how to say in English. It means combine the language between Indonesian and English. So the difference concept between code mixing and code switching. When we discussion about the difference between code switching and code mixing, both of them have the strong similarities. Even we are difficult to find the difference of them, the similarities of them just is the function when we use two or more languages as a variant language in speech community. But the difference are in code switching, switch language even or variety of languages by the bilingual because of certain reason and consciously. While code mixing, the use of pieces of another language to one language that is needed probably. Thalender quotes by Cher and Lonnie tried to differ between code switching and code mixing. He said that code switching is speech even is become there is unswitched from one clause of language to clause of another language, while when speech even become the clauses or phrases is consists of hybrid clauses and hybrid phrases, and all of they are not super each other is called as code mixing. Fasol, Incher, and Lonnie also categorized to differ between code mixing and code switching. Code mixing when some use one word or phrases from one language to another language, and code switching is when the language is arranged structural and grammatical in another language. From the previous study of experts to differ between code mixing and code switching, it is difficult to make differentiation both of them because there are still some concept of role that have to pay attention to make it clear, and it related to interference of language. So the last slide is conclusion. Code switching is a term in language referring to using more than one language or variety conversation, while other experts state that code switching is the mixing of word, phrases, and sentence from two distinct grammatical or sub-systems across sentence boundaries within the same speech event. Code mixing, as the term refers to the use of one or more languages for consistent transfer of linguistic units from one language in another. And by such a language mixture, developing a new restricted or not so restricted code of linguistic interaction. Teacher make code switching in the class to make meaning clear and to transfer the knowledge to students in an efficient way. Yet, it shall be kept in mind that in long term, what the student experience interaction with the native speaker of the large language or of the target language. Code switching may be better, which prevents mutual intelligibility. Okay, thanks very much. That all from my presentation of final project of sociolinguistics. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.